Hello, children. Happy Republic Day. Now, today we will learn about in this video introduction of Republic Day, why Republic Day matters, the Constitution of India in national symbolisms, Republic Day parade, cultural heritage, and all about. So, let's start. Introduction to Republic Day. Republic Day marks the adoption of Indian Constitution on January 26, 1950, an event that transformed India into a democratic republic. Why Republic Day matters? Democratic values, that means justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity in daily life. National coherence, that means encourage unity, linguistic, cultural, and religious differences. Civic responsibilities means remind citizens of their rights and duties. The Constitution of India means the Constitution gives every citizen basic rights and freedoms. Guide the government in creating policies for public welfare. It divides power between the central and state governments. It can be amended to adapt to changing needs. National symbols, that means the national flag represents courage, peace, and prosperity, with the Ashok Chakra symboling justice. The national anthem Jan Gan Man promotes unity and respect for the country. The national emblem reflects power, courage, and truth inspired by the lion capital of Ashoka. Republic Day Parade, that means the Republic Day Parade in New Delhi, the centerpiece of the national celebration. It showcases India's military strength, cultural richness, and technology progress through a great and meticulously coordinated event, a display of strength, culture, and heritage. National observance, that means while the New Delhi parade is the most widely recognized event, celebrations also take place locally across schools, offices, and communities. Participations, that means students participate in patriotic songs, dance, and performance during Republic Day event. Young achievers receive special awards that highlight leadership, creativity, and dedications. And youth join community services activities to support local and development and social important. Schools and organize host debates, essay contests, and art competitions for youth participations. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.